Hey everyone, got a good one for you guys today. We're going to be visiting a museum. I don't know if you guys can tell what it is. Guys over my shoulder there. That's it, Bond Museum. I think it's just going to be more or less cars, a lot of stuff like that. We're here at the Orlando Auto Museum. So in this one here, this video, we're going to go visit the Bond, James Bond. See, they have a bar here. See? Bar right here. We're gonna go look at the museum. It's down in the back there, so we'll go down and see what we got down there. So I'll bring you guys along with me. Hope you guys are gonna enjoy this. Should be a fun time. All right, let's go see. They've even got a tank in here. It was used in GoldenEye 1995. They've got a little bit of everything in here. All right, look, just saw this. Can you guys name me all the actors that are in this? There's Pierce Brosnan there, Daniel Craig, Roger Moore, Sean Connery, who else we got there? Timothy Dalton. George Lazenby. Aston Martin. Right there, Daniel Craig. Look at the plane. So this is all going to be stuff from the James Bond movies. They got a lot of movie posters. Got some pictures, boats. This is really cool. I've never seen anything like this. Oh, look at this. Now this is something right here. Sitting right beside the plane here. Isn't that beautiful? Beautiful stuff. 1963 From Russia with Love. Sean Connery. Got the Mustang from Goldfinger. Thunderball. 65 right there. The DB5. Right there. Just put that on pause. The Toyota 2000 GT. You only live twice. It's nice with the stuff they have back here. 69. Diamonds are forever. Triumph. Triumph Stag. Look at this. Mustang. Mach 170. What year would this be? 71. Diamonds are forever. Live and Let Die, with the great song by Paul McCartney. Look at the boat they have here. The glass-drawn boat when they jump over the road. The AMC from The Man with the Golden Gun, the Hornet. The Matador AMC also. The Spy Who Loved Me. See the helicopter and the boat. Got some beautiful stuff. Got some really cool stuff in here. Really cool stuff. Especially this big plane they put in here. Isn't that something? They got a Ford Falcon sitting right here. Really cool to have that right in here like that. Not just the vehicles, the planes, the theming. This is something really incredible right here. Very, very incredible. This is the car that they used to go underwater. It was used with the Lotus Esprit. Remember I told you guys when I was walking in, what movie was this from? Look at that. That is beautiful. Beautiful stuff. Something I haven't seen in a long time, a wet bike. The Spy Who Loved Me in '77. The helicopter. Moonraker, '79. So they got a bunch of memorabilia in here, kind of set up like a restaurant, and they have stuff everywhere. Somebody's got themselves a big, big collection of stuff. These are all full, from top to bottom, of stuff that go with the James Bond. Look, I'm walking down each side. Cars, watches, dolls, books, clocks, pens, hats, plates, shirts, DVDs, toys, slot machine. They got a little bit of everything. It's really fun. It's something you don't see very often. Something like this. So this is going to be at the same place as the big car museum in Orlando. Look, another Turbo Esprit Lotus. And they got a few of them. Another one sitting here. Lotus Turbo. 82. This one here is an 82. 82. Citroën. For Your Eyes Only, 1981. Octopussy, Roger Moore.
Yeah, what time are you getting to the airport?
A View to a Kill in 85. Another one with Roger Moore with the great song from Duran Duran. When the Renault, when they split it in half, the taxi car. Another Aston Martin, The Living Daylights, 1987. Got the truck here from GoldenEye. They got a big 18-wheeler sitting in here. Bunch of other stuff from GoldenEye. Tomorrow Never Dies, 1997. The BMW 750iL. The boat, snow machines, when they have the big snow machine chase. Q-boat. Over there in the corner, that was the Q-boat. This is the Parahawk from Die Another Day. Casino Royale, Daniel Craig. Jaguar. The XKR was used in the 2002 Die Hard, Die Another. This Jaguar here, the 2002 Die Another Day. With that there. Alfa Romeo, Quantum of Solace, 2008, Daniel Craig. A lot of beautiful stuff in here. Beautiful stuff. This is really fun. Just making you guys a quick little video, me walking around here. Got a great song coming here in the background. You can hear Paul McCartney with the Wings Band from a great movie, Live and Let Die. Live and let die. All right, you guys, hope you guys enjoyed this. Just bringing you guys along, giving you guys something to look at. I'm out of here. See you guys next time. See ya. Bye.